Under 6 Science, chapter number 13, Fun with Magnets. In previous lecture, we have discussed the introduction of the chapter. In this, we have discussed it how magnets were discovered. A shepherd was there who take his herd of sheep and goats to nearby mountains for grazing. He had a stick to control them, in which a metal piece was there, and when it was touched to the ground, a rock, it was attracting towards rock. This is how the magnets were found. Now, in previous lecture, we have the magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. The magnetic materials, that are the materials which attracted towards a magnet, are magnetic. For example, iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. And the materials which are not attracted towards a magnet are non-magnetic. In table 13.1, we have discussed that you have to fill up that table. Now in 13.2, activity 13.2, spread some iron fillings on a sheet of paper. Now place a bar magnet on this sheet. What do you observe? Now what you have to do is, you have to take some iron fillings, iron dust, and spread on a sheet of paper. मतलब आपको क्या करना है, आयरन फिलिंग्स लेना है, उसको स्प्रेड कर देना है। आयरन फिलिंग्स मतलब छोटे छोटे आयरन के टुकड़े लेना है, छोटे छोटे। उसके बाद उसको स्प्रेड करना है, फैलाना है किसके ऊपर, एक शीट ऑफ पेपर के ऊपर। ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू पुट अ बार मैग्नेट ऑन दिस। Now, what do you observe? Like simply, we can observe that the iron fillings will attracted by magnet. Do the iron fillings stick all over the magnet? Yes. The main thing is that the iron fillings will be attracted towards the 2 points of the magnets. Yes. Do you observe that more iron fillings get attracted to some part of the magnet than others? Remove iron fillings sticking to the magnet and repeat the activity. Do you observe any change in the pattern? Which the iron fillings get attracted by different parts of the magnet. Now, in this activity, you have to take a bar magnet and you have to put that in the iron fillings. When you will notice that, then when you take a magnet, the iron filling is not same on every side of magnet, but there are some sides where the iron fillings are more, and there are some another side where the iron fillings attracting less. ओके, मतलब कि बार मैग्नेट जो है, बार मैग्नेट में अगर आयरन फिलिंग्स में रखेंगे तो आयरन फिलिंग्स जो है वो मैग्नेट की कुछ कुछ साइड पर ज्यादा स्टिक होगी और कुछ कुछ साइड्स पर कम स्टिक होगी। ओके, सो इसके ऊपर से हमको क्या कंक्लूजन है? तो यू कैन डू दिस एक्टिविटी यूजिंग पिन और आयरन नेल्स इन प्लेस ऑफ आयरन फिलिंग्स एंड ऑल्सो विद द मैग्नेट ऑफ डिफरेंट शेप्स। नाउ ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम टू शो द वे आयरन फिलिंग स्टिक टू अ मैग्नेट। ओके, so if you will draw the diagram, you will have the like figure in this A figure. Okay, now what you have to do that, now you can find that the bar magnets end. Now in this activity you can find that on the ends of bar magnet there are more iron fillings than the middle side. Okay, so poles of a magnet are said to be near these ends, मतलब कि जो poles होते हैं, poles जैसे साउथ पोल, नॉर्थ पोल। नाउ पोल्स ऑफ अ मैग्नेट आर सेड टू बी नियर दिस एंड्स, मतलब कि जो भी पोल्स है जो मैग्नेट के, वो इसके नियर में हो सकते हैं, मतलब कि जो एंड्स है उसके नियर में। Try and bring a few magnets of different shapes to classroom. Check the poles location of poles of the magnets using iron fillings. Now 13.3, finding directions. Magnets were known to people